Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Lafz dua has been used in Quran so many times and so many shapes. So first of all, we have to understand what dua means. Da'a yadu means to call something, to remember something, to remind something, to ask for something. So now when somebody calls somebody else, so then dua can be used as well. And but the actual thing is that when it is related to Zat-e Ilahi, to Allah Ta'ala subhanahu wa ta'ala, dua contains the meaning of that we have become helpless. There is nothing else can help us. Nowhere else we can go. Nobody else is that we seek His help. Allah, because you have created us. Now everything has been exhausted. Every means we have used to solve our problems. But in the end, we are so helpless, hopeless, that we have come to ask you, because you are the last refuge He can solve. Otherwise, lafz dua has been used when Quran Pak says to Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil mawzati wal hikmati bil mawzati al hasane. So that means dua as well, that you ask them to come to the success of the Deen Islam. And then this word is related to many Anbiya Ikram alayhi salatu wasalam. When they was in problems, they always made the dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the culmination point in the word of dua is that there is nothing else a person can do. Everything which is in his reach, in his power, he has used it. But he knows that ultimately there is only one body, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who can solve his problem. So in other words, Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says as well in one hadith, that even the salat, even the namaz, that is dua as well. And that's the best dua. Because why? When person stands in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and he makes the namaz, actually what he is demonstrating is this, that, O Allah, O my Creator, Ya Rabb, O my Lord, I am just praying to you because I think you are the only power who knows and who can diagnose, who knows and who can help me, and He can solve me my all problems. And when he does the other commands of Allah subhanahu, he performs the other commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like Hajj, Zakat, and all that. That is actually dua as well. Because dua means that you submit your will, your actions to one Creator, that you think that everybody thinks that He is the only one, without any hesitation, without any hindrance. He is the only Zat who can help us. And sometime, and one hadith, Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says that ad-du'a mukhul ibadah. Dua is the culminating position of the praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in our practical life, we knew everything, that if somebody becomes sick, I'm just giving the example, they go first of all to ordinary doctor, to the GP, then they are referred to the specialist, then they are referred to the consultant. ultimately they are admitted in case of emergency in the hospital. But whoever moment, any moment, who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when he becomes really desperate, then he believes that only thing which he can save him or solve his problem is the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's why this is the one of those things which protects the ibadullah from any problem. Even in the Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, especially I remember now in Yawm Badr, Yawm Uhud, and many other Saraya and Ghazawat, Huzur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, before they started any effort, Allah Subhanahu, he always prayed to Allah Ta'ala for his help and for his nusrat. And nusrat is the word which means that to help somebody beyond the means and beyond the foreseeable means. So that is the, I would say, that is the ultimate action which any mukhlis fi deen can take to be near to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.